Guys, good morning. We're just at the start of the storm, starting to roll in. Everybody wants their trees done ASAP. There's not enough time. A few people are gonna be sad. Hate to say it, but I'm here with my uncle, one of the OG tree guys. This truck, guys, this freaking truck. Where's it at?
Huh?
Where's it at?
It's been around about 5 times.
Look at that.
It's been around
500,000 miles on this truck and he still has it. This is one of the OG tree guys right here. We're gonna come in and work on this little antenna. The big one doesn't actually work, but they're jumping power for the small one. Small one's getting no signal, so trees need to go bye-bye. Taking that branch right there back to the Y, the split. I don't really like that cut, but eventually he'll probably take it all the way back to the tree to make a proper cut. And then we're gonna take these 2 branches off. We're gonna leave the one going up and out. Correct? We're leaving the tip of that top one?
Yeah, it's a little piece.
All right. Well, you know what time it is, guys. Let's go. Getting too old for it too, man. What's that? 35 maybe, 36, something like that. What's that?
Doing all right till I turned 6.
Woo!
And I went down.
11th. I think I'm 36 now. If I remember correctly, 36 sounds about right. That was never really anything that, like, you know, why am I even tracking that? What's that matter? It's not like I do birthdays anymore or anything. Oh, boot stuck. Fat boots. Fat freaking boots. Look at me, I could get around all that. Yep. Man, this rope is about as old as that truck, ain't it? Yeah, I think it should be okay. You good crank? You still got crank in it, you think? If I undercut? Yeah. Well, we know who was doing all the pulling on that one. So with what you are doing, Glenda, it's less about the pulling at the initial and more just about sucking up the slack so it can't swing back in. Yeah. Remember, you're not really pulling, he's doing the pulling. You're just taking slack out fast.
Okay.
I just don't want you to fall on your bum again. My kid gets about one of those falls and then she's done, no longer helps. I'm finished. You did me dirty, Daddy. We're over here. Perfect. Right? Broke a little early. Let's not do that with this one. How about Dave? Not as fast as them old boys, but not too shabby, huh? Not too shabby, huh?
We're gonna try to get up there on a ladder and make frisbee.
I hate ladders. I hate ladders. Beautiful. Yeah. Yep. Good. Down, slow, slow. Whoa, hold it. He's gonna have to cut some, remove some. Down, 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 down. Whoa, slow. Yep, down, down, down. All the way down. Good job. How about it, brother?
Buddy told me.
Good go?
One there to keep away. Should be able to get a signal on the house.
Should be able to. We'll go peek, go look at that satellite right there and look down it and see if it's pointing at a tree or if it's pointing at sky. What's that?
Don't go too far. It's gonna give us a see if it
Yep. Can you power light, Dan? Whenever you get, yeah, whenever you get a chance. No rush. What do you guys think? Gary Light 0. Trying that whole no sugar thing. 0 sugar. Try to watch my girly figure. What do y'all think? Y'all think it looks good? We took that big jumbo of nasty stuff over the antenna. And we took, you can't really see them now because they're gone, but then we took 2 big leads, those guys right there. Might have to go up there and grab 1 more. Be honest, the only reason this is in my system right here is so I have the toy while I'm up here in the tree. Always inspect your gear, make sure there's no cracks, obviously before you go in the tree, make sure there's no tearing or anything. Get some fuzz. It's like plastic. I think it's right now it's healthy. I could drop that bottom one off, but I would be scared of the branch. I tell you, I couldn't confirm or deny that this branch would do healthy.
A little piece off on the bottom.
He's afraid it's going to grow back down now.
But if you take the little piece off the bottom, that you don't think it's affected that.
About kind of halfway back.
Yep, let me go look what I can do.
Yeah. You need a rubber band? Don't want to.
No, probably not.
Cut it right off.
No, not too much.
Get a little bottom one first.
The whole, not the whole one, just that tiny one.
That's one about the 3-inch one, man.
Yeah, I'm aiming for it. Yeah. Must been a while since you've been up in the tree, huh?
Take that one and see what it looks like.
What's that?
They're kind of small on the plastic, but you can see right here.
I see it. How about that? Oh, okay. Just hang out. Oh. You said poison or something?
Yellow jacket, a little mini wasp.
Oh. All right, coming down. Jeez, how much rope's in there? Screw it. All right, guys. If I'm talking to you, you know what that means. We're hot, we're sweaty, and the tree's done. Tree is finished. As you can see, it's a little.
Have it on when you're up there?
Oh yeah, it'll be on YouTube later on.
I thought you were talking on the phone.
Nope, YouTubes. Say hi, YouTubes. She says no, don't put me on YouTubes. As you can see, the satellite has clear, open skies. There's a little bit left of a tip there, but that's that whole branch. That's all that's left is that little tip, and it's gonna need that little tip to survive. Take too much off there, and next thing you know, bad branch, bad tree. But I think we are good to go. Hey guys, I hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe, and if you'd like to see more content like that, I've picked out a few for you right here.